This is fun, right? We're having a good time.
Yes, it's a great time.
Just checking. Ready?
Yep.
Hey, Faith Builders. We've been talking a lot about seeds and planting. And so I thought what would be fun is to take some of the leftover seeds from Eco Camp and plant them here in the church garden and see what happens. So I have some leftover giant double enchantress rose zinnia seeds and some state fair mixed color zinnia seeds, but just for funny. Shh. We're gonna plant some zucchini in here too, just to see what happens. Now, here's the thing. A squirrel, a bird, a mouse, something might come along and eat some of our seeds. I don't know, but if you see zucchini growing in front of the church, you'll know why. So, we're gonna plant right here, right now, in the good soil, nice black dirt, beautiful, surrounded by beautiful perennials. We will have some zinnias and maybe some zucchini. All right? Here we go. Giant double enchantress rose. And state fair mixed colors. We'll see what happens. And right here, zucchini. Kind of hoping the squirrels don't get the seeds, because it would be pretty hilarious to have zucchini growing out in front of the church. Don't you think? I think so. I guess I have to take my gloves off for this one. I can hear them. They're in there. I can't get it open. Mr. Chris sealed it up very nicely. Ah, there we go. All right, here goes. The zucchini seeds. Let's see what happens. I'm pretty excited about this. Now, the thing is, I can't just plant this here, let it be, and see if anything happens or not. I'm gonna have to pay attention to it. I have to water it. If any weeds come up, I'm gonna have to pull the weeds. There's still work to be done, just like we have to keep doing the work to pull the weeds out of our lives. Bye, Faith Builders.